Rad's here again from Independent Catering with my daughter
Kayra.
There we go. Today is Friday. As a very traditional Friday day, most of you like to have your fish and chips, but we here in our house, we like to have our fish with rice and a bit of veg as well. So today we'll be cooking some pollock. Not chicken, it's fish, you silly. We got pollock and some rice, which you will...
Onion and rice and some carrots to make it tasty. And some
lemon. It's a very easy, simple recipe.
Some pepper and some
salt.
Salt.
Yeah, very simple and easy recipe. So we got these are sugar snaps, which is going to be our vegetable today.
Yes,
we got some rice here, which I already washed. Is basmati rice. I personally prefer basmati rice because I think it comes out nice and fluffy. So basically, what we're going to do first, we're going to do our fish. We're going to season our fish, which the way we like it in our house here, we do some lovely lemon zest. Zest, well done. And juice. Do you want to do the lemon zest, Kayra? There we go, watch your fingers. Always make sure, if your child is doing something, you keep an eye on them. Make sure you always have an adult with you. Right, Kayra?
Yeah, to help you.
So we need to be a little bit harder, and we always need to turn. Yeah, we always need to turn the lemon.
My adult is here to help. I'm a little bit small.
Well, you're growing, aren't you? Because you're eating a lot of nice fresh food, right?
I'm a big.
Here we go. So we're doing some lemon zest in here. We're also going to use the juice. Both of them will give a very, very nice flavor to your fish.
Yeah, I was trying to say that before.
There we go. And then we can cut. We've got this one here. We can cut the lemon. Here we go, Kayra. All the way.
Your adults not help.
So we're going to squeeze the lemon in there.
I want some lemon.
There's one in there. To
lemon.
drink.
Oh, I'm making some music.
So that's the lemon done. Then we're gonna, to get a bit of a better flavor, we're also gonna add some carrots and some onions as well, right, Kayra? So we need to peel our carrots first.
Peel. The last time I was making.
Yeah. So we put it in the board, so you're nice and steady. There we go.
Remember last time I was making something?
Yeah, we used carrots as well, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we was making some. What do you call them?
Noodles.
Noodles with it.
Mm-hmm.
Just let you
So, you need to be a bit firmer, Kayra. There we go. Oh.
That's a hard bit. Your adults must help.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, it's okay. Yep.
There we go. We're getting there. Oh.
Yep.
Right. Let's put the rubbish over there. So if you wanna cut the carrots, and then we put the carrots with the fish as well. While we're putting that, I'm gonna season. No, you can. I'm gonna season some salt and pepper. Yeah.
Oops.
Okay. It's okay. We'll clean after.
Because it's gonna eat it.
Okay. Let the knife do the work.
Yeah,
Remember?
I'm gonna say all the time. You can do it. I wanna do it by myself. Let the knife do your work.
Watch your fingers always.
Your adults must have you help.
Mm-hmm.
We can't cut your fingers.
Here we go. So we got some carrots in there. Watch your fingers.
Let the knife do your work. We're not saying anything.
Okay. So you got some carrots there. That will give you a better flavor for your fish. You're gonna use half an onion. So you can use 1/2 of the onion for your fish and 1/2 of the onion for your rice.
The onion makes your rice be nice and tasty.
You want to cut the onion like this for Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Nice slices.
Not
I personally, when we make rice in our house, we always cook our rice with onion and garlic. So we're gonna fry the onion and garlic first, then we add our rice, fry the rice, and a little bit of salt, and always use hot water. It doesn't take long to do it. Very simple, very easy. I'll show you guys how we do it here.
I'm almost crying.
You're not crying. So you're gonna sprinkle some onions in there.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. You must wash your hands.
Yeah, we're gonna wash our hands now. Here we go. There we go. Kayra? Where are you? Okay, up there again. So we're gonna add some olive oil.
Olive oil. That's
You add that.
Come on.
Here we go. Nice and spread around. Okay.
Like a snake.
What I always like to do is put a little bit of butter in there because
But it makes it tasty.
as it's cooking, it's gonna give you a nice flavor and
Yeah,
a little
tasty.
bit of a sauce as well. So we got, let's say, a little spoon of butter in there as well in the middle of it.
Are you gonna sew that or not?
Yeah, wait 1 second. So there we are. We've got our pollock, some carrots, some onions, salt, pepper, lemon zest, lemon juice. Sorry, I'm out the camera. Lemon juice, and this is gonna go in the oven now, probably approximately
And butter.
25 minutes.
Butter.
Oh yeah, butter. Well done, Kayra. 25 minutes. At
5
100.
minutes.
No, 25 minutes.
Okay.
Around 180 degrees. So while the fish is cooking, we're gonna do our rice. So let me put this in the oven now for us to start. So now we're gonna start on the rice. So wait 1 second. That is gonna show you. Remember?
Your adults must have.
Here we go. So we're gonna put some
You can do it if you want.
oil in there.
Nice rice oil. Then rice. What?
Wait 1 second. So that's the other half of your onion. Because it's just for flavor, you don't have to cut it because if you don't want to eat the onion after, it's easy to take it out. So that's the onion and the rice in there.
You
You
always
need
have
to
to put
leave it in there, yeah?
You always have to put it in this. I don't know what it's called.
Stove.
Stove to make it nice.
Yeah. So we'll wait for this to start frying. This is our spoon. Okay, Kayra?
It's not hot.
No, it shouldn't be hot in there. It should be hot in here.
Oh,
Pay attention, yeah?
okay.
Where is this one? Okay. So we're gonna cook our onions and the rice together with the garlic. Okay, let it fry a bit.
We
Yeah?
didn't put garlic.
Yeah, there's the garlic in there, look.
I'm gonna cook it with oil first.
Yeah, we're gonna fry a little bit first, get some color and some flavor.
Mix the onion like that.
Flavor, you get the flavor. So fry a little bit of it.
You're done now.
Fry a little bit of the onion and the garlic, and then we're gonna put the rice in there, which is washed already. This is basmati rice, so approximately 200 grams of basmati rice for 3 of us. That should be plenty.
Yes.
We're gonna fry that together.
You have to put a little bit.
Okay. You need to be careful not to throw anything out, Kayra, okay? So always remember what Daddy said. It's on the outside of the pan, inside the pan.
I'm gonna do this and do what I done yesterday.
Okay, slowly.
The inside and the outside.
No, outside to the inside.
Yeah, outside
So
and in.
as your rice is frying, we're gonna add the salt in it.
Yeah, and pepper.
Is it just no? You don't put pepper, just salt.
Wait, what's the pepper?
No, you don't need salt, pepper. So we got
So why
rice.
did you put pepper out?
That was for the fish. Remember? So we got rice, garlic, onion, and a little bit of salt. So that is almost fried there now. So we need to stand back. This is gonna be after, Kayra. We're gonna stand back now because we're gonna put some hot boiling water.
Well, don't touch me.
Okay, stand back. Here
Your
we
adults
go.
must put it in. Your adults must put it in. I'm gonna leave it.
So you put around, when you see your rice, you put around 2 fingers above the rice. So just around 2 fingers above the rice. You're gonna put the lid on. You're gonna let it cook. When you see that the water is coming down, when it's almost down, you're gonna take a little bit with a teaspoon, taste it. If it's nice and soft, you can switch it off. If not, you add a little bit more water and let it cook again. So we're gonna leave this cooking while the fish is cooking as well. And then in the next video, we're gonna come back and show you guys how we do our peas and also the result of the rice and the fish. We'll see in a bit. Hello guys, we're back again. So our fish is ready, our rice is ready. The rice took around 10-15 minutes. Like I said before, I've added 2 fingers above the rice worth of water, hot boiling water. After I tasted, like I mentioned, it wasn't cooked, so I add a little bit more water. And when you look into the rice, when you add the second lot of water, when you have around this much, like a finger worth inside the rice, when you just look inside, it's still a little bit of water. You switch it off, close the lid, put it on the side, and let the rice finish the job, because what happens is it's gonna keep on cooking. So that's how you're gonna get a nice fluffy rice. Now we've got our hot boiling water. We're gonna put our sugar snaps to cook. Be careful, because it's hot. And also when you're cooking veg like this, same as broccoli, cauliflower, any vegetables, you want a hot boiling water. It will take around 3 minutes to cook, and that's your lunch ready. Our fish, I'm gonna take out the oven now and show you guys how does it look. It looks nice and tasty, no, Kayra? Yeah? Are you hungry? Yes? You wanna eat? Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's our fish. It's got lots of flavor in it. Lovely lemon zest. Yeah, you don't have to eat the onions and the carrots. It's just for flavor. The fish. Okay. What we're gonna do, once we have the food in our plate, I'm gonna take a picture and we're gonna add to the video so you guys can see the end result. Are you excited for lunch, Kayra? Did you enjoy cooking with Daddy today again? And what would you like to do next? What would you like to show them what we do at home, cooking wise? Huh? No, what do you want to eat next time? What do you want to cook with Daddy next time? Tell them.
I want to cook something nice and flavourful, not like sweeties, but nice something flavourful. I will try and think of.
Yeah? Something really tasty.
Oh, I know.
What?
Some carrot cake.
Carrot cake, yeah? We can make a carrot cake.
Or chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake, or strawberry
Yeah,
cake.
chocolate.
Chocolate cake, okay. We can try chocolate cake next time if you want.
Or we can do it tomorrow.
We can try tomorrow, it doesn't matter. We got plenty of time, right?
Yeah.
You have fun? Good girl. So, thank you guys for watching the video again. Say bye-bye, Kayra. And soon we're gonna come back with another quick recipe. This, as you see, it didn't take long for us to cook. Tops 45 minutes after everything is cooked. And we can't wait to see you guys soon. Right, Kayra? Say bye-bye. Bye.